Cartoon Animation.
Hello, kids.
Marching slowly through a colorful jungle.
Enjoy Kids with Animals.
The elephant stomps its big feet, making fun, exaggerated footsteps as
Enjoy
it moves.
Kids with Animals.
Other animals in the background cheer. The elephant on
Enjoy Kids with Animals.
A group of lions march proudly in the parade, roaring loudly with smiles on their faces. They swing their tails as they march, and the scene is full of bright colors and jungle trees. Frogs hop in, frogs bounce down energetically through a meadow, hopping up and down, reaching for the sky with their little legs. Each frog has a big happy face as they leap from one lily pad to another. Giraffes stretching, a group of tall giraffes gracefully walk through the parade, stretching their necks high to nibble on tree leaves. Their long necks swirl around in a playful dance as they march slowly through the scene. Monkeys swinging,
enjoy Kids with Animals.
Swing from tree branches above the parade. They laugh and play, with one or two doing somersaults in the air as they join the fun. Parrots singing,
hello, kids.
Brightly colored parrots fly above the parade, singing and chirping happily. They swoop around the animals.
Enjoy Kids with Animals.
Adding to the excitement and fun. Zebras trotting, a pair of zebras trot confidently, showing off their striking black and white stripes. They move in sync, trotting to the beat of the song with smiles on their faces. Animal parade, farewell. The animals all gather at the end of the parade route, waving goodbye to the viewers.
Enjoy
with big
Kids with
smiles.
Animals.
The jungle animals dance together as the music fades, and the parade comes to a close with everyone happily dancing.
Animal parade.
Enjoy Kids with Animals.
Elephants stomp, prompt, show a friendly
Enjoy Kids with
elephant
Animals.
marching slowly through a colorful jungle. The elephant stomps its big feet, making fun, exaggerated footsteps as it moves. Other animals in the background cheer the elephant on. Lions roar, group of lions march proudly.
Enjoy Kids with Animals.
Roaring loudly, smiles on their faces. They swing their tails as they march,
Cartoon
and the scene is
Animation.
full